Once upon a time, in a small town named Willowbrook, there was a little girl named Emma who loved baking. Emma's passion for baking was so great that she dreamed of having her very own bakery one day. She spent her weekends and free time experimenting with recipes, making delicious treats for her family and friends. One rainy day, when the raindrops fell like tiny dancers on the rooftops, Emma decided to bake something extra special. She peeked out the window, watching the rain, and a brilliant idea struck her. Emma would create a rainy day-themed bakery. She quickly gathered her ingredients and got to work. Flour, sugar, eggs, and a touch of magic were all carefully measured and mixed. Emma hummed a cheerful tune as she kneaded the dough, envisioning the cozy bakery she would open. The delicious aroma of freshly baked goods filled her kitchen, and the rain outside seemed to tap along in harmony with her excitement. Emma shaped the dough into delightful little umbrellas, rain boots, and raindrop cookies. She also whipped up some heavenly pastries filled with chocolate and caramel rain clouds. As the rain continued to pour outside, Emma put the finishing touches on her creations. With a sprinkle of powdered sugar on top, each treat looked like a tiny piece of art. Once everything was ready, Emma placed the goodies in a colorful basket and put on her rain boots and raincoat. Holding her umbrella high, she set off to share her delicious creations with the town. Emma walked through the wet streets, her excitement growing with each step. As she arrived in the town square, she found a small, empty shop. With the permission of the owner, she transformed it into Emma's Rainy Day Bakery. The news about Emma's special rainy day treats spread quickly throughout the town. People came from all around, seeking comfort in her warm, tasty pastries. The bakery soon became a favorite spot for locals to gather on rainy days, enjoying the delightful treats while listening to the soft patter of raindrops outside. As time passed, Emma's Rainy Day Bakery flourished. She expanded her menu to include rainy day-themed cakes, muffins, and even savory delights. Emma's dream had come true, and she couldn't have been happier. From that day on, whenever the rain poured down on Willowbrook, Emma's bakery would be filled with laughter, friendship, and the sweet aroma of her rainy day treats. And so, the little girl with a big dream turned her passion into a heartwarming reality, making rainy days a little brighter for everyone in her town. And they all lived happily ever after.